Here we are once again. Just got done playing with the 6.5, the PRC. Found my thunder on that one, I do believe. Something we're going to play more around with. Getting ready for the dog shooting season. With this COVID-19, whatever the hell they call it, coronavirus. It's hard to say what's going to happen out there this year. But I got some 50 grain loaded up, sitting on top of some Varget. And I can't remember how much. 34 grains of it. I didn't really get out to shoot this gun much last year, but I did have these notes down and had pretty good luck with this load. I just shot a 5/8 inch group, 3 of them. Got the scope up where I want it. I've got 6 rounds left. I'm going to dump all 6 of them. I'm not going to wait for anything to cool. We're probably room temperature, not warm. Anyway, let's see what happens. 100-yard range, just like always. Got a chronograph sitting right there in front of me also. And let's give her heck. Hair bit low right. Pretty close though. Well, I tell you what, this is so comfortable to shoot. I shot 12 rounds out of that PRC. And I dropped the powder charge a little bit because of the recoil. It's still got a lot of recoil. Not a dog shooting gun. It's a hunting rifle, hunting cartridge. Looks like about 3/4 inch. You folks remember this has a ER Shaw barrel on it. I spun that on there myself, did the glass batting, painted it. I'm not 100% happy with the barrel. I wish I had a 1 in 12 twist. It's not the barrel, it's the 1 in 14 twist in it. It's a 50 grain shooter. Will not shoot the 53s. Will not shoot the 55s. To some people, if you're, depends what you're shooting, but kind of shooting I like, you don't quite stabilize them. .34-53 case that chronograph. I forgot the first one. .34-57. Nice 3-shot little cluster there. Not fantastic, but it's good enough to kill dogs with. Oh, high left. 34-67. I really can't tell that one. It's either 2 in that upper left or back on the cluster with the 3. Last one, numero 6. And 6 rounds, you start to get heat coming off the suppressor. I don't know how suppressors work exactly, but they get a whole lot hotter than the barrel does. And you get a lot more heat coming off them. Well, that is just one that's high left. Not too awful bad. Hey, what's new on YouTube? Anybody? You been paying attention? Last couple times here they started something new. Now when I upload a video, their algorithms don't work. They are non-monetizing all kinds of videos for no reason, because so they come up with a game plan. Every time somebody uploads a video, you have to answer half a dozen questions, and the 5th question is, does it pertain anything, does it contain anything firearm related? You're out of here. Now I have to tell them to not monetize my video because they can't do it themselves. And who knows what, you know, before when the algorithms are doing it, you just, hey, you hope one slid in under the radar, you know, not very many, but once in a blue moon. Now you have to tell them, well, if you say it doesn't, and it does, they go back and they find it. What do you get, 3 strikes, you're out? I don't know, somebody. So tell me what, people, they're not monetizing. Hunting stations, hunting programs, pages like mine that you watch, now that they're not monetized, are they disappearing? Are they still putting on as much content as they used to because now they're not making any money on it? The ones I watch, I think I'm the last one actually. The ones I watch that are still on there a lot are big enough. They have corporate sponsors. When the thing starts up, it's an infomercial. This is the kind of scope I use. This is the gun. This is, see the name on the side of it right here? This is my suppressor. You want to see the name on that there? You want to see my boots? Here, these are the kind of boots I wear. It's a freaking infomercial. Corporate is paying. That's cool. They're getting on there, they're getting done, but it's a commercial. They're being force-fed what they're going to tell you. Another thing, I look at numbers a lot. You know, they just put it on there. They got twice as many viewers as I do, twice as many subscribers. Some have a third. And in one day, they put on 20,000 views. Whoop, my mic's gonna blow away. It's a little windy down here. The mic's gonna blow away. They put on vast quantities compared to mine. If I wanted to, and they're not monetized, okay? You've heard me say before, if YouTube's not making money because your video is not monetized, they do not promote your video. You want your video promoted, you can pay, you can grease the boys at YouTube. They'll promote your video. As long as they're making the green, they'll promote your video, even if it has guns in it. And that's how it's done. Corporate, somebody's helping them out. And that's great, but that's all we're going to have for hunting videos. I watch a lot of guys shooting coyotes, shooting a lot of stuff. They just ain't there anymore. Ain't no money in it. There's still money in coyotes, there just ain't no money in doing this video stuff. That's why, folks, I went over to Patreon. I'm over there. Virtually, I'm going to put one here, one there on fucking, excuse me, that's another one too. If you have any cuss words on there, you're not monetized. Anything I do, firearms, I'm going to still throw one on here, there on YouTube, but 99% of it's going to be on Patreon. If I'm going to go through the work, I want to have a little bit in return on it, and that's what this whole thing is about. It's a hobby, it's a pastime, it's a sport, but it's expensive. And hey, no ifs, ands, or buts about it, people. I want to make a buck on it. I hope you join me on Patreon, and hope you enjoyed the old 22 250 today. Thanks a lot, folks.